So we're at Cawsands beach in lovely Cornwall, and just looking out over the Plymouth Sound. We've got a bit of an adventure. I'm going to paddleboard around the coast, and the other guys have walked up the coast path a bit, and we're going to meet them, and we're going to swim back. They're going to swim back, and we're going to then paddle and use the paddleboard. We've got a kayak as well. James is dragging it down over there, and yeah, it's going to be cool, eh? Oh, we just arrived at our little fun beach. Fat yak. Oh, this is it. They've sort of come down this little path from the top of the cliff here. They walked all the way down and just come down. And then what we're going to do is they're going to kind of swim. They're going to swim close to the shore. And we've got the canoe and the paddleboard, and we're going to go all the way back to where we started. It's going to be a bit windy, so it's going to be quite a challenge, I think. It's quite choppy. You probably just about see there's a boat out there, and there's a sort of strong northerly wind blowing, so yeah, it's going to be fun. Oh, it's just tidied up a bit, and I've just come into the edge here just to get out of the wind, because we hit this. Well, we knew it was going to be windy on the way back. It's coming around the headland, it was so windy, and I had Monty on the front of the paddleboard. I've ditched him now, he's on the canoe. But yeah, it was so hard to make any progress on the paddleboard. It's only about a mile and a half we've gone, but it just goes to show you that inflatable paddleboards have their limitations, and it's really difficult on the chop to make any progress. I was thinking we're going to have to turn around and go with the wind and walk back, but luckily I've just come in here, the wind's knocked right off and it's okay, and I'm not far from the beach, so happy days. We're definitely stand-up paddleboards or inflatable ones into a headwind. Man, they suck. I don't know if you're going to catch this guy. There's a sort of shaggy, guillemot-y thing up here. You can see him, maybe on the GoPro. There he goes. And the gulls just kind of minding their own business on the rocks. Imogen, you look suspiciously dry. I can see, yes, you're doing a good job. You are quite strong as well. You might have been the only one that would have made it back in me. Me and Monty will potentially have to walk back, I think. No, or a 13-mile-an-hour headwind. Maybe you're going to become a lifeguard. In here. We're going to go back and see the swimmers, see how they're doing. Are we having fun or no?
Oh, they're still out here. Oh, cool.
Yeah, they are still out here. They're drifting around aimlessly. Look, ice cream van waiting for us. Perfect. Are you pooped? That was a